You have been using your TikTok account over the couple of months or days, and you discover that all the content you have viewed or you are watching, they are restricted. I mean, you cannot watch adult content. All you do is restricted content. Then how do you turn off this setting so that you'll be able to access adult content on your TikTok? Make sure you have TikTok on your device and open the TikTok app on your device. Comes out like this, then tap on this profile icon. Then it brings to this interface. Tap on the three on top of the screen. Now tap on the settings icon one more time. Now tap on content preferences. Just wait a few seconds. It comes out like this. Now you see restricted mode is turned off. If your on is turned on, that is why you are unable to adult content on TikTok. Tap on it. Once tap on it, then go ahead and tap on turn off button. Provide a simple reason you want to turn it off, then submit. In a few seconds, guys, you'll be able to have this option that says restricted mode is turned off. So you must have this YouTube app installed on your device. Tap on it and it comes out like this. Go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the base, which is after you tap on it. Now you see this accounts at the top of the screen. Tap on it. Now here you have access to manage your Google account. Tap on it. Under option that comes out, tap on personal info. Now here, go ahead and tap on your birthday. So make sure that your birthday is correct and is more than 18 years. So if it is not up more than 18 years, come out to this place and edit your birthday and be sure it is more than 18 years. Now that I've set your birthday and it's more than 18 years, then go back from this place. Go ahead and tap on the settings icon at the top of the screen. Then tap on general. Under general, you say restricted mode. If restricted mode is toggled on, it means you are not up to 18 years. Then all adult content will not be displayed on this YouTube app on your device. So to enjoy the adult content, you must toggle it off to be sure that you are more than 18 years. So that is all the same process, guys. Your adult video on YouTube. If you enjoy what I've explained, if you not subscribe, please subscribe. And don't forget to like, share so that others will benefit from this video.